Today we are going to show you how to make delicious fish burgers. Archer, can you tell everyone what fish we're using today?
We're using trout, or you can use any other fish for this recipe.
This is a really easy recipe and it's as simple as dicing up whatever fish you're using and adding a few simple ingredients. While I roughly chop this trout, the kids are going to tell you what ingredients you're going to need.
You need egg, breadcrumbs, mustard and paprika.
Perfect. Archer, can you pass me the food processor bowl? And we are going to put all the ingredients in here and then we're just going to pulse it for a couple of seconds. We don't want to puree it, so we still want it to be chunky, and then we can roll it all together. All right guys, you can add your ingredients in there. So we've got 1/4 cup of the breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. I will go and give this a blitz, and then the kids are going to roll these into delicious rissoles. Okay, we've got our trout patty mix nicely pulsated there, so you can still see there's still a few chunky bits. Now we've got our gloves on because this part can get a little bit messy. We're going to divide this into 6 because we're making little mini burgers. Meanwhile, get your, if you're using a barbecue or your fry pan, heat it up. Our pan is nice and hot. Vera, would you like to put those in for me?
I'm trying to be very careful.
Good girl. Okay, we'll just squish these down. Probably 2 to 3 minutes each side. Our burgers have been on here for 3 minutes now. We're just going to turn them over, and as you can see, they're beautiful and crispy and golden brown. So turn them over, and same on the other side. While these little guys are cooking, Vera's going to make us a really yummy dressing to go on top of our burgers.
Now I'm going to make a yummy mayonnaise dressing for our burgers. We need capers, pickled cucumbers, mayonnaise, and we need lemon.
2 nice spoonfuls of mayonnaise, and then keep that spoon, and then add your capers, which we've finely chopped, diced pickled cucumbers, and Archer, can you do a nice squeeze of lemon in there? Excellent. And it's as simple as stirring that through. You've got a really tasty special mayonnaise. We have everything good to go, so it's time to build the burgers, kids.
Yes.
So you've each got your own dinner roll. And let's start with some of the special mayonnaise. Okay, and then you can build it however you choose. You can put your lettuce, tomato, and you let me know when you want your burger on there.
Burger, please.
Okay.
No tomato.
Arch, would you like your burger on there now?
Oh, thank you. Can I have some of my burger?
Sure. There. Well done, they look delicious. Now, what do you think, kids? Do these look tasty?
Yes. Yes.
So you can have fun making your own burgers at home with any of the combinations we've shown you today, or you can try your own.
Get in my belly. Delicious. Yum.